Did Bitcoin have a crash today, or are the newbies overreacting? And today in this video, we're going to discuss the current events that's taking place in crypto, what meme coin that you should know about that just came out, and what happened today with Bitcoin's price. Bitcoin dropped to 65,000 after hovering around 70,000 for about a week now. Now, Bitcoin prices dropped 5% and a lot of people are panicking, asking is it time to sell? Well, this data comes out. We have a Fed meeting coming up that a lot of people could be scared about. And we also have rates that could be increased or decreased coming up with the Federal Reserve Bank. So Bitcoin fell right now is around 66,000 from the reading of this report. Looking at the charts right now is at 65,000. So Bitcoin is still at a high level. I would not call this a crash. This is a small dip. And people in the crypto community know that you're supposed to buy the dip. Just look at this opportunity as a time to buy Bitcoin at a discounted price. Now, we're in the month of April, and there's something bigger going on in this month opposed to 420. And that's Bitcoin halving. It just so happened it might just fall on the 420 date. But let's not forget what halving is and what it does to Bitcoin prices. Now, in the wake of Bitcoin halving happening this month, Bitcoin miners has just reached a record monthly high of revenue at $2 billion. See, miners know that their prices are about to be cut and they're trying to take advantage before halving happens. Also, what happened today is that the U.S. government just sent $2 billion in Bitcoin for the cost of $1.48. This just goes to show you how helpful this technology is and how it can help us with costs. Now, this $2 billion worth of Bitcoin that the United States government had came from the confiscation of the United States government when they took over the cryptocurrency from the Silk Road. For those that don't know, the Silk Road was used to do a lot of illicit activities. Now, I made a video before talking about how the United States government was actually holding on to this Bitcoin from Silk Road because they seen that Bitcoin was an asset and that the prices was continuously going up. So instead of selling it all at once, I think they sold around 9,000 about a year ago. And now with prices around record highs, they're selling it. So look at the level they sold it at was around 65,000 level. That will bring roughly $2 billion worth of the token. If you ask me, it's like the United States government is becoming a crypto and Bitcoin believer. And for even more bullish signs for crypto, Bitcoin just had its highest monthly close at above 70,000 for a record high. It's the first time in Bitcoin history that it ever closed at this high for a month, up 13% from the previous record set in 2021. Now for our Bitcoin ETFs update. We've had 25 billion inflows into ETFs so far in the first 3 months of this year. If 25 billion flew into the crypto space in the first 3 months just of this year, what do you think next year is going to look like? Not to mention Bitcoin halving again. Now, if you were smart and invested in Bitcoin this year, you could have already 2x your investment so far this year. This is what the cryptocurrency market does for investors. How can we forget about China? Now, China is about to launch an ETF, but now they could make their Bitcoins redeemable. Unlike here in the United States, in China, if you buy the ETF, they're trying to make it to where you can actually redeem your ETF investment in Bitcoin. That can be a game changer, and that can also help raise the demand for more Bitcoin. This is why it's important to invest in crypto. Look at the housing prices, for example. In 2016, medium houses was 288,000. In 2020, 328,000. Then in 2024, to 434,000. But look at the amount of Bitcoin it takes to acquire a home. You can actually buy a home by investing in crypto. Things are really speeding up for Bitcoin. You even have the world's largest pension plan eyeballing Bitcoin. But let's move forward. Now let's talk about this new hot meme coin that's out that's on a Solana ecosystem. Solana has been deemed the #1 ecosystem that's taken up 49% of crypto interest. Now this new meme coin on the Solana network that's taking off is called MEW, MEW. Now let me remind y'all, this is not financial advice. Like, meme coins are high risk and high reward. Now, some investors have had a lot of success with meme coins, but you have to have a plan. You have to have an entrance plan. You got to have an exit plan. Now, this MEW coin stands for Cats in a Dog's World. Now, we all know it's a bunch of dog meme coins that's out, like Shiba Inu, Doge, a bunch of dogs. Basically, this meme coin is the cats are trying to take over. MEW had just made an announcement today that 5% is being allocated to the Solana mobile, and that they're giving free airdrops to those people that own Solana mobile phones. MEW coin had just came out last week and is already up 300%. Just today is up 41% with a market cap of around 700 million. Now, this meme coin has gained legs pretty fast, and I'm looking for it to hit at least the $1 billion market cap, and it's not too far off from it. But it might be something you want to look into. Do your own homework. This is Jay with Organic Money. Peace.